Look at these numbers. 1.9 million views, 7.4 million views, over $8,000 a month in estimated revenue, all from a channel with less than 200 videos. I am giving you the exact step-by-step cheat code to build highly cinematic, Netflix-level documentaries using a completely untapped workflow. We are going to completely bypass the trash AI generators and use a revolutionary system built around XMK and Seedance 2.0. To show you the proof, here's what I made in 10 minutes.
There is a city that should not exist. A place built not on solid ground, but on water, mud, and millions of pieces of wood driven deep into the earth. A city that has been sinking for over 1,000 years. And yet, against everything we understand about physics, engineering, and time itself, it's still here. But the truth is far more terrifying. Because Venice isn't just surviving, it's slowly losing.
I'm opening ChatGPT to build our foundation. We are using a highly structured 3-prompt system. The first prompt is for idea generation. You're going to tell the AI to act as a viral YouTube documentary producer. For this example, we are generating an idea about Venice, the city that shouldn't exist, and how it defied physics. Once we have the concept, we move to prompt 2, the script. You demand a highly captivating narration script for an 8 to 12-minute video. The secret here is telling the AI to use short, profound, thought-provoking sentences. Now, here is the critical step, prompt 3. This is where most people get entirely stuck. You need to tell ChatGPT to take that script and break it down into a sequential shot list. I put the exact prompt copy-paste templates for all 3 of these steps in the Discord link below so you don't have to type it out and mess it up. Just grab them and plug them in. This is where 99% of people completely ruin their channels, and this is where we take an absolute unfair advantage. We are going to head over to xmk.com through the link in the description. This is the home of Seedance 2.0. If you are still messing around with the older generation of AI video tools, you are wasting your time. Seedance 2.0 is the untapped cheat code. It understands precise motion, physics, and consistency in a way that nothing else does right now. So, you are in the Seedance 2.0 dashboard. You take the highly detailed visual prompt that ChatGPT just custom built for you. You paste that exact string of text into the Seedance prompt box. You do not touch the image reference right now. We are going pure text to video. You set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because we are building a cinematic YouTube documentary, not a vertical short. You set the duration and you smash that generate button. What happens next is what separates the massive channels from the failures. Seedance 2.0 processes that complex prompt and spits out hyper-realistic, completely usable B-roll. You aren't getting spaghetti hands or melting buildings. It looks like you hired a helicopter crew in Italy. You go down your entire ChatGPT shot list, pasting the prompts into Seedance one by one, and generating every single 10-second clip you need for the video. Underneath the surface shots, tracking shots of the wooden pillars deep in the mud, slow dramatic pans of St. Mark's Basilica. You download every single one of these assets. Next, we need the voice. I'm grabbing the raw narration script from ChatGPT and heading over to 11 Labs. We are looking for a voice that commands authority and keeps people hooked for 10 minutes straight. I'm selecting the Liam voice. It has that energetic social media creator vibe, but with enough gravity to handle a documentary. You paste your script, generate the speech, and download that audio file. My private community is already scaling this exact method. They already know about this specific niche, they've been using Seedance, and they get early access to exactly what is going viral before the rest of YouTube catches on. The link is down there if you are serious about treating this like a business. Now, we bring the blueprint to life. We are assembling the pieces. I'm opening up CapCut on the PC. You can use Premiere or DaVinci, but CapCut's fast and it gets the job done perfectly. First, you drag your 11 Labs voiceover track onto the timeline. This is your anchor. You never cut the video before you place the audio. Next, you start dragging in your Seedance 2.0 clips. Here's the secret to high retention editing. You have to pace the visuals to the cadence of the voice. When the narrator takes a breath or drops a profound statement, that is where your scene transitions. You do not just leave a clip running for 10 seconds if the sentence ends at 4 seconds. You trim the Seedance clips to snap perfectly onto the audio cues. But we are not stopping there. To make this look like a true cinematic masterpiece, we need to treat the footage. You highlight your clips, go up to the adjustment panel, and we are going to push the color grading. Even though Seedance gives you great lighting, you want a uniform look. You drop the temperature slightly to make the historical scenes feel a bit more cold and dramatic. You tweak the curves to pull down the shadows and boost the highlights, creating harsh, dramatic contrast. You're giving the whole documentary a cohesive, premium look. Follow me for more blueprints and untapped niches. Do not wait on this. Not wait. Start building.